Yes? Okay, good. And everyone has to make sure your tablet is well connected to the internet. Please make sure before the class. If all things are settled, you can look at the new words on the screen. Read by yourselves first to see if you know the meaning of each word. Alright class, I will leave you read these words. In the meantime, I will show the Chinese meaning. If the words look unfamiliar to you, please take down some notes. Alright? Now let's start. Berry, berry.
Berry, berry.
Minor, minor.
Minor, minor.
Record, record.
Record, record.
Thought, thought.
Thought, thought.
Entrance, entrance.
Entrance, entrance.
Statistics, statistics.
Statistics, statistics.
Objective, objective.
Objective, objective.
Subjective, subjective.
Subjective, subjective.
Convincing, convincing.
Convincing, convincing.
Czech Republic, Czech Republic.
Czech Republic, Czech Republic.
Very well done. Now, let's read these words together ourselves. Berry, berry, start.
Berry, berry. Minor, minor. Record, record. Thought, thought. Entrance, entrance. Statistics, statistics. Objective, objective. Subjective, subjective. Convincing, convincing. Czech Republic, Czech Republic.
Very well done. Okay. Now, class begins.
Stand up.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, class. Now, please. To begin with, I'd like to show you a picture. Okay? Observe the picture on the screen and think about the question. Question number 1. Which line looks longer to you or longest? Okay? Question number 2. Which line is the longest? Okay? Question number 3. How can we know? Okay? Can you tell me which line looks the longest? The line in the middle, right? Okay, the second. Which line is the longest? Do you know? Probably. Okay. How can we know they are the same? How can we know? Very good. If we have a ruler, we can measure these lines like this. And then we will find 3 of them are the same. Very good. Class, sometimes our eyes in life will trick us, and sometimes what we read also will trick us. Let's read the 2 statements. Boys, read the first one for us. China has stopped.
China has more people than any other country.
Okay, girls, read the second one.
China has the most beautiful scenery in the world.
Okay, are the 2 statements true to everyone? Does everyone believe so? Probably not, right? That's why I said sometimes what we read will trick us. And today we're going to look into what is the reason behind it. Now class, let's open our books. Turn to page 5. On the top, there is a passage. The title is A Fact or an Opinion. I want you to read aloud the passage and underline the 2 key concepts of the following examples, do you know what does it mean by concept? Yes, very good. Now let's read out this passage and find out what are the two key concepts are. Okay? A fact or an opinion. Start.
A fact or an opinion. What is a fact? Is it something that people believe? No, a fact is anything that can be proved. For example, it can be proved that China has more people than any other country in the world. That is a fact. Then what is an opinion? An opinion is what someone believes is true but has not been proved. So an opinion is not good evidence in a trial. For example, it is an opinion if you say cats are better cats than dogs. It may be true, but it is difficult to prove. Some people may not agree with this opinion, but they also cannot prove that they are correct. In a trial, the judge must decide which eyewitness to believe and which not to believe. The judge does not consider what each eyewitness looks like or whether the person is or worse. She only brings out whether the eyewitness has given true information, which must be facts rather than opinions. This kind of information is called evidence.
Very well done. Now class, you tell me what are the two key concepts in this passage? What are the two concepts? Tell me. Fact. What is a fact?
Fact is anything that can be proved.
Very good. So which one is the fact between the two? The first one. Very good. Okay. What is the other concept? Opinion. Tell me what is an opinion?
An opinion is what someone believes is true but has not been proved.
Very good. What fact and opinion are used according to paragraph 3? In a trial. Very good. Okay, so now we are going to look into another passage of how we are going to use fact and opinion to judge. Now let's read the second passage on exercise 2. This time I wanted you to read silently. In the meantime, please finish exercise 3, filling the blanks. Okay, for this part I will give you, let's see, 3 minutes. Okay. The timer is on the screen. Okay, 3 minutes, start now. I see most of you have finished half of the table. That's very good. You You have 1 minute to go. Seconds left. If you can't finish the sentence, please write some key words. Three, two, one. Time's up. Okay, now let's see. I will check the answers on the screen to see if we have got all the information. Okay, look at the screen. The name, what is the name? What is the person's name? Jane Hasek. Okay, what's his job? He's a miner, very good. And where was the place? Czech Republic. Okay, very good. When was the time? Very good. And let's see what he heard. What he heard? Yes, he heard something exploded. Okay, cracked. Okay, cracked it if you didn't get it right. Moving on, what he saw. What he saw were taking wooden boxes from trucks and putting them in the mine. Okay, very good. That's the first thing he saw. Did he see anything else? Yes or no? Yes. What else did he see? The entrance to the mine was closed. Very good. Okay. And what he believes. What he believes. Very good. Okay. You get all the information. Now, let me ask you. Among those information, which ones are facts and which ones are opinion? Can you decide? How about his name, job, place, and time? Is it fact or opinion? Fact. Yes, because we can prove it, right? How about what he heard? Fact or opinion? Fact or opinion? Fact, yes. What he saw? Fact. And what he believes? Yes, and opinion. Okay? Yes, very good. Now let's do more exercise to practice those two key concepts. Okay? I will show you some statement and you are going to judge by yourselves if it is a fact or an opinion. Okay? Let's see statement number 1. Let's read the statement. Okay. Number 1, start. Okay, is it a fact or opinion? Fact. How can we prove it? Can we prove it? Yes. We check his score, and if he's the number 1, that's the fact, right? And we know that's a fact. Okay? Let's move on. Number 2, let's read it. He holds, start.
He holds the belief that he can succeed without hard working.
Okay, is it a fact or opinion?
Opinion.
Why is it an opinion? Yes, because he holds the belief. That is his personal belief, right? That's his personal idea. Different people will see it differently, right? Okay, so it's an opinion, okay? Let's move on. Number 3, let's read it. The light, start.
The light travels faster than sound.
Okay, it should be faster, yes. So is it a fact or opinion?
A fact.
Why is it a fact? Can we prove it? Yes. If we test the speed of the light and the speed of the sound, we will find out who travels faster, right? Okay, so it's a fact. Okay? Number 4, let's read it. As far as I'm concerned, start.
As far as I am concerned, the weather outside is very warm.
Okay, you tell me it's a fact or opinion?
Opinion.
Why is it opinion?
As far as I am concerned.
Yes, it's your idea. It's your personal feeling, right? Okay. Others may may see it differently. Okay, it's an opinion. Okay, number 5. Okay, let's read it. Miss Zhao, start.
Miss Zhao is a head teacher of class 9.
Is it a fact or opinion?
Yes.
Okay, because nobody can disagree with it, right? Everybody agrees. Okay, it's a fact. All right, let's see. Number 6. Winter, start.
Winter is better than summer.
Is it a fact or opinion?
Opinion.
Why is opinion? Yes, not everyone agrees with it, right? Okay, yes. Let's see. Yes, it's an opinion. All right. Now let's have a summary of what the features for facts and opinions. Do you know the word features? Yes, very good. Now scan these features for 30 seconds. Scan it. Okay, here there are some statements, and in the statements there are some blanks. We're going to choose the words below to fill in those blanks. Okay? Now let's do it together. The first feature of a fact. Facts can be proved, especially by what? Records and excellent. Okay? It is. What does it mean by objective? Good. Anyone who is checking, yes, will find it the same. Okay, yeah. Now let's take down these features. Take that. Alright class, I see some of you have finished. Yeah, that's quick. For those who haven't, please be quick. And let's read the features again. Facts can be proved. Start.
Facts can be proved, especially by records or statistics. It is objective. Anyone who is checking will find it the same.
Excellent. Now let's see the features of an opinion. Okay? Look through the statement for 30 seconds. You can decide which words below to fill in the blanks up. Alright class, let's fill in the blanks together. Opinions tell the thoughts or feelings, yes, about something. Usually with what? Yes, with adjectives. What is adjective? Very good. Compared with facts, opinions is
Subjective.
very good. Subjective. In Chinese we say very good. Anyone who is checking may find it different. Okay, excellent. Now let's take down the features. Try to finish within 1.5 minutes. see some of the students have finished. Okay, over half have finished. Let's read the features of opinions again. Opinions tell the thoughts or feelings. Start.
Opinions tell the thoughts or feelings about something purely with subjective. It is subjective. Anyone who is trying may find it different.
Okay, excellent. Now let's put this into an exercise. Okay? In this exercise, there is a short story, and in a short story, there are facts and there are opinions. You are going to read the stories by yourselves and decide which sentence contains an opinion. Okay? For this, I will send you an introduction on your tablet. Please open your tablet. Did you see the exercise on your screen? Yes, okay. Read the short story and decide which sentence contains an opinion and make your choice. Okay? For this, I give you 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, I see many of you have handed in your answer. That's very good. Okay. Yeah. Among those, He Yuming, Wang Ruiyuan, Liang Hongwei are the fastest. Okay. Excellent. Still, some students have finished. Okay. Let's wait for 10 more seconds. Okay, time's up. Alright, let's see which one is the correct answer. C, okay, let's see. C, the weather was terrible. Why this one is an opinion? We know what is the feature. One of the feature of an opinion is include adjective. Which one is an adjective? Terrible, okay? It may be terrible for him, but not everyone, right? Okay, yes. So this one's opinion. I've seen most of you get it right. Let's see choice D. We had a hole in our tent. What does a hole mean? Okay, in our tent. Can we prove it? Yes. If we see there is a hole, that's a fact, right? Okay, for students choose D. Please pay attention. D is a fact. Okay, excellent. Now let's move on. So how we are going to use what we learned today into application? Okay, we read the concept, fact, and opinion in the reading, and we can make it in our writing in the application. Let's see. In writing, if you want to make your opinions more convincing. Remind me, what does convincing mean? Good. You should give facts, right? In other words, you should use facts to support your opinion. Okay? How we are going to do this, I'm going to show you. Let's see. This statement, Beijing is a cultural city. Is it a fact or opinion? Is it a fact or opinion? Yeah, it's an opinion. And now we are going to use facts to support, okay, our opinion. How we are going to do it? Let's see this example. Okay, let's read it together. In my opinion, start.
In my opinion, Beijing is a cultural city. There are plenty of cultural relics in Beijing, of which 6 ones are recorded in the World Heritage List.
Let's pay attention to 6. What kind of facts is it? Statistics. Very good. Yeah. And are recorded. Yes, it's a record. Recorded in where? In World Heritage List. What is World Heritage List? Yes, 世界文化遗产 or 世界遗产. Yes. So that means it was shown in a book or in a list. Okay. And let's move on. For example, it's an example. Yes. The Forbidden City is the most famous one. It attracts visitors from home and abroad every year. That's still an example. Let's look at, I also paid a visit there last summer holiday. What this part is about? Experience. Very good. It's personal experience, right? Okay, yes. Very good. So I want you, in your writing, use statistics, record, example, or personal experience to support your opinion. Okay? Now let's see our task. According to the example, write a paragraph of 50 words. It's very short. In terms of Beijing, is a what kind of city? Okay? I will put the class. Okay, I will assign an interaction for you. Did you receive the task? Yes or no? Yes, okay. Let's see. Group 1. This is group 1. You are going to write, the key word for you is modern. You are going to write Beijing is a modern city, okay, with some facts. And group 2, you are going to write Beijing is an educational city, okay, yes, to give facts to support. And group 3, you are going to write Beijing is a crowded city, okay, give facts to support your opinion, okay. Now let's write it on the paper I gave you for 5 minutes. Okay. So the task for you is 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes, finish the writing. is on the screen. Please pay attention. Okay, I see some students have finished. If you have finished, before you upload, please write down your student number. Okay, write down your student number. And then upload. Okay, there's 30 seconds left. Okay, I've seen 5, 6 students. Okay. Since over half of the students haven't finished, I give you 40 seconds as an extension. In 40 seconds, all of you please hand in your works to me. Make sure you write your student numbers on it. Okay, 10 seconds left. Please be quick. I see around 15 students haven't handed in. Okay, please be quick. Okay, please be quick. I'll wait for 5 more, 4 more, 3 more, 3 more, 2 more. Okay, 2 more. Okay, now, let's start our cross-check. On your tablets, you will receive a work of your classmates. Before you give marks, please pay attention to the marking rules here. The first rule, if the writing is finished, please give him or her 6 points. Okay? And if he or she use one type of fact among statistics, record, example, or personal experience, he or she gets 1 more point. Understand? Yes. So the full mark, the top mark, tell me how many? 10, yes. You can't give 11 or 12, even it's a very excellent work. The top mark is 10, okay? Now, please marking the writing for your desk, for your classmates. For this part, I give you 2 minutes. 2 minutes marking. You have 1 minute left to mark. Second. 30 seconds. Now you have to decide what points you are going to give to your classmates. In 20 seconds, you are going to tell me. Alright class, time's up. Tell me who gets 10 points? Which writings get 10 points? Anyone? 44. Okay, very excellent. Who else? 46, is it? Okay, so who's 44? Who's 44? Can I take a photo? Okay, of your writing. Okay, who's 44? Who's number 44? Number 44, who is it? Yes, okay. Okay. Very well done. And who else? Who's 46? Okay. Can you pass the writing to me? You. Well done, class. Now let's look at those two writings on the screen. Let's first look at 44. Okay? Can you see it clearly? Can you see it? Yes. Okay. Beijing is a modern city. Okay. Yeah, could you read for us? Could you read your writing to us?
Sorry,
it's okay, yeah. In my opinion, Beijing is a modern city. There are 23 skyscrapers. What is skyscrapers? Yes, 摩天大楼, tall buildings, right? Okay. So here she uses what? She uses what as a fact? Statistics, right? Which two ones are nest? It should be bird nest, right? And the CCTV building. Here, bird nest and CCTV building are what kind of fact? Records or examples? Yes, examples. For example, landmarks like bird is very famous. It should be bird nest, okay? I had visited 3 years ago. It's what? Personal experience. It's really beautiful, okay? Excellent. Alright, now let's look at this one. Can you read for us your writing? Yes, go ahead.
In my opinion, Beijing is a crowded city. There are 23 lines in Beijing subway, transporting over 10 million people every day. And unoriented people spend around 2 hours from and to work. Once I have been to Beijing to visit my aunt, I spent 2 hours on the way to her home because the cars transportation are so crowded.
Excellent, thank you. Thank you so much. Let's see what types of facts are used. Tell me. There are 23 lines. What are these? Statistics. Okay, what else? What else? Yes, examples, right? Yes. People spend 2 hours from and to work. Okay, what else? What are the facts? Personal experience. Once I have been to Beijing to visit my aunt, okay, and I spent 2 hours on the way. Okay, excellent. I believe there are many excellent work in our class, but because time is limited, I can't share everyone in front of the screen, okay, and hope you can learn from each other through those wonderful examples. Let's give a hand to 2 of them. Very well done, okay. And for today's homework, the first homework, please finish the exercise book using language part. The due is November the 28th, which is tomorrow. And the second task for you is a writing introducing a place of interest in China. Do you know what is place of interest? Excellent. In China, to a foreign friend planning his trip. Okay, the due is November the 30th, which is on Monday. Okay, all right. So much for today.